When I hover over this icon on screen, can you see the arrow almost looks like it whooshes back in, it grows, and a text appears. This was built with a prompt from Angie's community library. You've got to make sure you got the Angie plugin installed and activated. You've got to use an elemental.com account. What you need to do is open the Angie interface and then drop in this prompt. Where did the prompt come from? The community library. So what you want to do is go down here where it says library, click it, and then go to community library. You then get to see a library of widgets that have been created by the community. You can even create something and submit it to the community and it will be reviewed and it could get added here and you'll have your name exposed to the world as well. I'm going to do a search for button and then I'm going to scroll down to where we have the morphing icon button. I'm just going to click it over here. What you want to do is click import to site and that will then add this morphing icon button prompt. And all I did was run it. I didn't really make any changes. I just ran it. And when it's done that and it asks you to reload the page, you will now see a new custom widget. Here it is, morphing icon button. Let me just click into it. I can go and change my icon. I can change my text, the link. You can do all your attributes. You can go and set your styling as well in terms of how much it expands, what your inner padding is going to be. You've got a lot of choices here. Again, the typography and your colors. But really neat feature that came part of this, and this has all been created by someone. Down here, you have the behavior. So maybe on the mobile, you want to lock it as a pill. So if I now go to the tablet, I can still do that. But on the mobile, it's locked as a pill. So the animation is not there. Maybe for whatever reason, you don't want to have it showing. I always think it's really neat that you can do things like this. And this was created using a prompt with Angie. Now, if you wanted to modify or remix this, from the get-go, you could have clicked remix when you were in the community library. But my advice is bring it over, have a look at it, play with it, and then you'll understand what changes you want to make. And then what you want to do is just make sure you've clicked on the widget. It will then say morphing icon button, then go and say what changes you want to make, and it will do it. But if you don't want to make them straight away and you want to play around or brainstorm, is it possible? And, you know, can we do it? Or is it going to break something? Go and switch to plan mode. So you can still make your request, but it won't build it. It will now try and fine tune and hone in on exactly the best way to do it. So that was the morphing icon button from the community library. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. Are you playing around with the community library? What changes are you making? Because if you go and do this right now, maybe you go and do your own little extra bit or features to it. Please let me know in the comments because I'd love to see them. Take care. See you soon. Bye.